I just want to give you an update here. I'm looking at the wiring diagram for the power section, and I found something really interesting. So if you look right here, there's a little terminal strip right there. It's actually this terminal strip here. And what it's doing is it's connecting the negative side of the 8,000 microfarad cap, and it's also got the negative side of the diodes in the bridge rectifier. And you'll see here in the inset that they want you to put a jumper wire here between ground and the terminal post. When I took it out, this wire wasn't there. So whoever put this together never grounded this to the chassis. Now I don't know exactly what they may cause. I'm sure it generated some noise for sure, and it may have been more dangerous. I really don't know. I don't understand it well enough to know that, but that's the first thing that I found just by ripping this apart. To show you on the schematic what that looks like, it's actually right here. So if you'll see here, this comes down right here and goes to ground, just like the negative side of the 8,000 microfarad cap. So it looks like this was missing, this entire leg right here. So still plugging away here. I've also replaced the speaker jacks. I'll show you that in a second, and I'm just waiting for some more parts to come in. Let's take a look at the speaker jacks. Okay, so there's the new speaker jacks. These are the old ones. So I'm going to be getting rid of these, obviously. So these have been mounted. I had to put a washer there, and I've got them in here. I'll make sure I adjust them before I connect something. One other thing I want to show you here, this thing has a circuit breaker. It's a 2.1 amp circuit breaker. And when I took this thing apart and looked at it, see if I can show you this here. Let's do it through a magnifying glass. See those connections? They look burnt. Actually, you could see there that it's actually broken. There's a piece missing right in there. A little hard to focus on this, but looks like there's been some damage to the circuit breaker at some point when it popped, probably when the board smoked before I got it, long before I got it. So I've got a new one of these, a 3 amp on order. It's going to be a little bit of a different type. So I'll just have to make this hole a little bit bigger and install it there. And then everything else is gone. So everything else is ready to go. Just got to wait for some parts to get in, and I'll start wiring this thing up again. But it's amazing that I found something that probably wasn't done 40 years ago. So we'll see how that plays out. All right. See you later. Thanks for watching.